Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I thought I would do a back to school makeup tutorial. I thought I'd do one of these because lots of people are going back to school right now, and I thought I'd do a little tutorial of the look that I go for school, and also to help you guys out if you're a little bit stuck with how to wear your makeup. So yeah, let's get right into it. I've got my One Direction mug. I'm just going to be mixing the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Full Coverage Foundation. This is like really lightweight, so it's got really good coverage, but it doesn't feel like you have literally anything on your skin. And then I also mix it with the Rimmel London BB Cream in the matte one in the shade Light. I'm using my Zoeva buffing brush. This is a fake brush. I did not spend like $100 on the kit like they are. So this is just a fake hit off eBay. If I do find the seller that I got it from, I'll link it below. Definitely recommend them. I feel like, yeah, you might as well just get these instead of the real ones. Unless you want to get the real ones and you have that money, then sure, but these were literally like $20. Make sure to be blending it down my neck because I don't want any rough lines. So I'm just going to go into brows now. This is a really weird order. So I'm going to be using the ELF brow pomade in the shade medium brown. It is really creamy. It's so easy to blend, and it's literally like $8. And this is like a cheaper version of the Anastasia brow pomade, and I have got that, and I would say it is like really close to it, although I do like the consistency actually of the ELF one more because it's a lot like easier to blend, to be honest. Like I thought it'd be the other way around, but this is like just the right consistency. It's not too thick, but and also don't mind my really outgrown nails. I wanted to keep one for a concert I'm going to next week. I'm going to Five Sauce. I am so excited. I'm so happy I got tickets. They actually sold out, and then they sold more. Their new album is so good. If you guys are fans of Five Sauce, comment below. Let me know what your favourite song out of the Youngblood album is. Mine is probably, I don't know, so hard because I love them all. Like I think this is their best album yet. The sound of this album is just amazing. Every song has like a different vibe to it, which I love. My favourite song is probably, I'm thinking maybe Valentine, Moving Along, Woke Up in Japan, and Why Won't You Love Me. Now if I've got a little bit of spare time, which I usually don't because I usually get up like really late and literally just have to do my mascara, but if I do have time I will carve out my brows. So I just use this Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer. I love Essence. It's like literally the cheapest brand ever. Like this was $5. This concealer is so good. It's really good coverage. It's so easy to blend. It doesn't dry quickly like some others do. Oh my god, there has to be a truck right at the front of my house. Are you serious? And I'm just using it with the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder. This stuff's really good. I just use the lighter brown. Also, I'm so excited for Ariana's new album Sweetener. It literally comes out in 8 days. I cannot wait. I'm definitely going to be videoing my reaction, so watch out for that. I've got heaps of videos planned actually. I've got like, yeah, heaps of ideas coming up, so watch out for that. Her album's going to be so good. I love this era. I am so keen for what's to come and her tour. She better come to my city. Like literally no one comes to my city. If you're Australian, you would understand that literally so many people miss out Australia on their tour. They just, you know, forget that we exist. So that's great. My camera just cut out, which is really helpful. All I did was just my concealer. So I just used the Maybelline Age Rewind for under my eyes, and then I just used the Essence concealer for my blemishes, and I just used the same buffer brush just to blend that out. I'm just setting my face with the Maybelline Matte Makeup Powder in the shade Classic Ivory. I'm going to be setting under my eyes with this small brush. Now I'm just going to be using the Essence Make Me Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Again, this is like $5. It's so cheap. I'm year 11 right now, I'm like halfway through. It's so weird thinking I have like just over a year left of probably going to go to uni because I've already been looking at like some courses that have to do with like graphic design or like marketing. That's the sort of stuff I like. If you guys aren't a senior yet, literally it goes so quickly. Make the most of it. Honestly, I can't believe I'm in year 12 next year, to be honest. For my eyes, I'm just using the mini Hoola bronzer. So I'm just using a bit of this. I just love this colour. I always use bronzers on my eyes and I just lightly go over that just to give, I don't know, some sort of like contrast. Now I'm going to be using this eyeliner, Designer Brand's black pencil eyeliner. Lately I've just been doing this just to make it, I don't know, I think it just makes my eyes look a little bit bigger. Then I just use the Nutrimenix Lash Impact Mascara. This is really good. It literally grabs onto every individual lash and makes it look 10 times longer. I'll take it slow, but baby, tell me when you're mine. Now for contour, I don't usually do this. If I just do a bit of concealer, I don't like contour at all. So I'm just using the Australis Contouring and Highlighting Kit. It's the lighter than light complexion because I'm literally lighter than light. And yeah, it's just got the highlights here and then it's just got the contours here. I just like to use a bit of this one and a bit of this one. Over with this angled brush here. I just like to use the Hoola bronzer again. Warm up my face, especially when it's winter. It kind of gives me a bit of life because in winter I get really pale, even though I'm already paler. You wouldn't believe I can actually get more pale just to kind of shape my egghead. And for highlight, I'm using the highlight I literally use all the time. EYS Highlighting Trio in the shade Illuminate. I just use this middle shade here, just my inner corners. Makes me look a lot more awake because usually I'm like a dead in the morning and I have no motivation to go to school. And then on my brow bone I just use a bit of it there just to highlight that. I love putting on my brow bone. And then I just use a bit of my Cupid's bow, a bit of my nose. And I like to use the same brush as I use with my contour because just don't judge me. Oh my god, look at that. And then for lips I just like to use this Pore Cream. It's like a lifesaver, literally. I wear this like every single day. That is the final look for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below if you haven't already, and check out my other back to school videos. I have a whole playlist that I'll link down below and also at the end of the video. Also, if you guys are going back to school, good luck. Hope it all goes well. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Ew, it's cold.
Hey, I need your love.